Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Today's strategy makes use of Microsoft Word, which is extremely user-friendly and it is best suited for beginners with no prior experience. That is why you must pay close attention to this video and follow it at all times. Many people are aware of this opportunity, so seize it and try to improve your life and the lives of your family by making money online. The goal of my content as well as all of my videos is to help you earn a decent living online and achieve financial independence. I'm always eager to help others achieve financial independence so they can provide for their families and even buy the things they want. This is completely free and if properly set up is guaranteed to work. You'd only need a phone, a computer, and internet access to make some great money and start benefiting right away with some strength from these. Let's get started with the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment too. Let's begin by visiting hereresonant.com. This website is essentially a freelancing platform where you can find online jobs in a variety of fields that you can work from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world and earn a lot of money. Later, I will demonstrate how Microsoft Word will play a role in our money-making journey. Now on the homepage, Harzai offers online work from home opportunities which are completely free. It is available worldwide and accepts a variety of payment methods. As you can see, there are numerous online jobs that can earn you a lot of money. The following are examples of these jobs and you can work on them even if you have no experience. However, in order to save you time searching for other jobs, I will show you what is the best job or way to earn money online right now. Let's take a look at the proofreading jobs available on this site. You will specifically check grammatical errors and spelling of certain books or the like. And no, you do not need to be fluent in English or have any experience. I'll show you an example of the job I mentioned earlier in a moment. You can see that they pay this amount per page, so the higher the page is, the more money you earn. The best part is that you can do this indefinitely until you say you won't. So click on this here and it will take you to this page. To reiterate, you don't need any prior experience to do this. I'll simply provide you with free applications or websites to do all the work for you. In a moment, I'll show you an example of the job I mentioned earlier. When you click that, it will take you to the firm submission rules page where you can scroll down and click apply now. After clicking that, you will be directed to the online application form page, which you must complete. If not, simply re-watch the video to ensure that we're both on the same page. Feeling excited to try this? Well, there's more, but before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to give a thumbs up too if you love the video. Do you have any questions, concerns, or violent reactions? Please comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now it's time to go back to earn some money. This is the information required on the application form. Follow along as I fill out these boxes, beginning with a username, email, age, password, and gender. Now in these sections, do as I say, beginning with selecting your notice period in the drop-down menu and clicking on immediately. This will give the impression to those reviewing your application that you are ready to work right away, and by selecting this option, you will be accepted within 24 hours of submitting your application. Select proofreading job for the next question, which asks which position you want. Now for the country selection, simply choose your own country, and for the current work status, choose freelancer. It is critical that we select freelancer because it increases our chances of landing job opportunities. I'll give you another tip because I'm in a good mood today. I'll give you some pointers on how to write this section. This is the most important part of the application, so let's make every effort to get on this website and make money. This is significant because you will sell yourself in this section. In order for them to directly approve you, the tone of the message should be serious and direct, stating why you want the opportunity and that you're ready to work as soon as possible. This message will also reassure the client that you are capable of handling the tasks that will be assigned to you. You can end the short message by saying, I'm always ready for the task to be assigned to me. Rest assured that I will be able to deliver the outputs on time. When you're finished, simply click the register button. I guarantee you will be accepted within 24 hours of submitting your application. Assume you're now working as a proofreader and you'll be receiving a lot of files with grammatical errors and misspelled words. In Microsoft Word, it automatically detects and suggests ways to correct these errors. There are lines below the words, as you can see here, these are words that Microsoft Word has detected to have some kind of error, whether it is grammatical or spelling. So if you see a line, simply click on it and check the suggested words, and then repeat the process for all the words, phrases, or even sentences that have these lines. Are you still there? If so, here's another bonus tip for you. Do you want it to be less difficult? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Simply go to google.com and search for Reverso Speller. It will then show you this website, reverso.net. Click on that link. This platform is now an automatic spell checker. They'll check all of the grammar and spelling errors in your file, so just copy and paste all of the words from your file into this Reverso box. Make sure to check US and UK on the accept spelling option, and then click the check button to process the file. This is why I kept saying that you don't have to be fluent in English to be effective at proofreading. All you need is this platform. Let me show you how to do it. So go back to the file, copy this section, for example, and paste the correct text into the reverso.net box. Now click this button to request that they examine your file. So they discovered a couple of errors here, and they're going to change it directly for me with just one click of your mouse. By the way, the best part is that you can do this as many times as you want. To summarize, all you have to do is register at hiracina.com, get accepted, and then copy it onto reverso.net or Microsoft Word to check for spelling errors. It doesn't get any easier than that, and that's all there is to it. So there you have it. I hope that this video helped you gain another avenue to earn money. If you like videos that have similar content to this, check out my channel and view my other videos. And if you like it, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.